Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to talk about making thumbnails, something vitally important. And I say vitally important a lot, but it is one of the most important things that you're doing. First most important thing is making a title. Second most important thing is making a thumbnail. Title and thumbnail have to go together. They have to look like they're married together, happily, that they want to be together, not that weird couple that looks like they should have been divorced 5 years ago, but somehow stuck at the out for the kids and really just resents each other. No, like the happy marriage, the weird marriage, like the people that actually enjoy being together and want to spend time together. That's the kind of marriage that you want between your thumbnail and your title. So I'm going to show you a couple things on how I make my thumbnails. Real simple, nothing overly complicated. I like simple thumbnails. Um, but again, the most important thing is the title and the thumbnail have to line up perfectly. They have to merge together perfectly, and they have to really do a good job explaining what the video is going to be about. And not only explaining it, but they have to sell it. They have to throw the hook. They have to make people want to buy it. So before I get too deep into that, please, I'm going to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe. It means the world to me. I really appreciate it. And we're doing pretty good in that regard, but could always do better. And I'm always looking for engagement. So I want you people to talk to me. Throw stuff in the comments. Ask me how I get such a lush and lovely beard. Ask me what my tattoos are. Ask me what my favorite color is. So now we're going to get into this.
Here I am on canva.com. This is in the templates query YouTube thumbnail, but you can just as easily get there if you just go to canva.com. So on canva.com, these are all templates that you can do. So you can put in right here YouTube thumbnail, and it will give you a list of YouTube thumbnails. I already have it here, so let's just click on that. Nice and simple. So these are all the different kinds of thumbnails that you can use. These are all templates, or you can go to styles and you can create your own based on the colors. Like that color. I don't want to go through all this though. It's too much. So let's go back to the templates. I do like this style though. We're going to replace the current page. Okay. So this is a template. This is all set up. I can change everything that's on here. I can move it. I can do whatever I want. So first thing, let's get rid of this girl. She's out of here. Don't need her. Don't want her. Ain't got nothing to do with my video. So now if I go into my uploads, upload file, this one, because this is the one that I planned on using, which is actually the same as this one. So no big deal. Just going to click on that guy. So you see I'm pointing over to the right. So I'm going to put myself over there. Now I'm going to go BG remover. That's background remover. And magic is going to happen. My background is removed. Boom. So I'm not going to be transforming my finances. I'm going to put that there. Not doing anything with passive income, so I'm going to put that there. Move me over a little bit. Move this guy over to here. I'm going to move this guy over to here because I'm going to use him. So I'm going to keep myself pushed over to the side there. Look at that handsome guy. Those are some cool tattoos he's got. So this isn't about passive income ideas. So double click on that. Backspace or delete. Boom, it's gone. This is about 30 videos, 30 days. I spelt it right. It's all good. Groovy. So we're going to go out to there. We're going to go out to there. We're going to move. We want to move this up. 30 videos, 30 days. So now days is illegible. Let's change that to black. 30 videos, 30 days. And actually, you know what? What if I change the 30 to black as well? 30 videos, 30 days. Pretty cool. I can do something to make that stand out a little bit more. But right now, let's play around with this. 30 videos, 30 days. Now, first off, I'm too small, but we're going to fix that in a minute. So this transform my finances. I want to change that. 30 videos in 30 days. I want to say something congratulatory to me. I did it. So I don't want that color. So let's go over here. Let's go there. Now let's take this, put that there. But now this is just way too wrong as far as the size goes. So let's make that so that it's gonna be not quite as big. Take this guy, move him over. Take that over there. Take this guy, put him over there. But I like that hollow look. So how are we going to get that hollow look? So let's see. No, it's not under text. That's not going to fix it, I don't think. That's interesting, but no. I don't think that's going to do it. So we're going to go to effects. So first off, we're going to get all that highlight. Then we're going to go to hollow. Boom. Now that matches with that. Get that out of here. This guy. I like him. I don't know that we can use him though. So we're going to put him there for now. Now me, I want to make me a little bit larger. 30 videos, 30 days. I did it. Hold on. Move that out of the way. Come on now. Move me out of the way. Sometimes you got to move some stuff out of the way. This guy, you know, he's just not going to make it. He's out of there. So, I did it. Put me back up there. 30 videos, 30 days. I did it. So, alright. That's okay. Not amazing. I don't like that. I want to get rid of that. I do. Let's see. Hit delete. I like that better. 30 videos, 30 days. So I'm going to move that green little lobby guy. I can put him wherever I want, but I want to really make that 30 videos, 30 days stand out. Put that guy there. Alright. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Okay. Doesn't look horrible, but I like throwing in the YouTube symbol. I do. It's elements. I got a couple symbols here. So I got shapes. This is all stuff that I've used. I can come in here. I can use photos. This is all stuff that I can add. None of it's going to fit even close here. Surveys, tables, frames, none of that is interesting to me whatsoever. However, I do want to throw in the YouTube symbol. 30 videos, 30 days. So, does that fit there? No, I think it fits there, though, pretty good. 30 videos, 30 days. I did it. There's the YouTube symbol. Am I missing something here? I'm not sure. I kind of like the way it looks. I definitely like the color scheme. The YouTube symbol doesn't really match the color scheme. Now, I can make this bigger, smaller. You know, I can do this, and then I can move it here. 30 videos, 30 days. Look at that. There's the YouTube guy. He's not centered, though. Let me move him over a little bit. That works. Okay. Maybe that works a little bit better. Not sure. Now, what's cool is I can take this guy. I can put him here, right? I'm just going to show you this. Now, you know, I don't want to use that guy. I'm going to use this guy. Bring that guy, and I'm going to put him there, right? I can make him as big as I want. There you go. He's pretty fucking big. Put him there. But I don't want him over my shoulder. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to layer. I'm going to send him back a layer. So now he's behind my shoulder. Now I can take my YouTube symbol, and I can put that there. That looks kind of cool. A little weird. Like the red doesn't go with the green, but you know, it is what it is. So I can put him back here, click on this, no, click on this guy, hit delete, and it's gone. So I can keep my YouTube thing right there. Do I love it? Nah, I don't love it. 30 videos, 30 days, I did it. The thing is, with your thumbnail, you don't want a ton of information on there. You just want to go in and you want to put what you need. I don't have any branding stuff in here. As far as tools go, I don't want to write anything or change anything. I don't want to animate anything, so that's pretty good. Honestly, I think I'm there. 30 videos, 30 days. I did it. Picture of me, picture of YouTube. Kind of says what it needs to. That's it. Gonna hit share, download, tell it to download, and it downloads. So that's pretty much it. And here you go. 30 videos, 30 days, PNG file. It's all done. It's saved. So now when I upload my video onto YouTube, it's finished. So now I'm gonna go and upload this video to YouTube. So now you know how to make a thumbnail using Canva. I highly recommend it. Make your own stuff. Put your own pictures in there. You don't have to use your face if you're not doing the face thing, whatever, that's fine. But if you make your own, then nobody else is going to have exactly what you have. So I dig this one. I think it's cool. I definitely like the black and green thing going on. So I think we did a pretty good job. I'm happy with it. So that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.